Big news coming out of Canada. Prime Minister Justin Trudeau is on the verge of stepping down as the leader of the Liberal Party, amid mounting opposition from his own cabinet. Sources reveal that Trudeau is likely to announce his resignation as early as Monday. While the exact timing remains uncertain, it's expected he will make the move before Wednesday's National Caucus meeting. The 53-year-old Trudeau has faced numerous challenges since the COVID-19 pandemic, and his departure has been rumored for months, especially with the national elections looming this October. So, what are the things that have contributed to Trudeau facing backlash from his own people? Let's understand 5 points. Number 1. Caucus Revolt. A caucus revolt occurs when enough members of a political party pressure its leadership to step down. Several Liberal Party leaders have been calling for Trudeau's resignation for months, with over 20 MPs petitioning against him seeking a fourth term in October 2025. Number 2. Resignation of Finance Minister. The crisis deepened on December 16th when Finance Minister Chrystia Freeland resigned, marking a turning point. Tensions had been building between her and Trudeau, with Freeland criticizing his spending plans and accusing him of prioritizing political gimmicks over the country's need. Number 3. Inflation, immigration and relations with the US. Trudeau has faced criticism for mishandling issues like inflation, immigration and relations with US President-elect Donald Trump. A botched immigration policy strained the housing market, and despite heavy spending, Canadians saw no relief as prices soared. Trump's re-election worsened Trudeau's position, with the US President-elect mocking him over high taxes and calling him Governor Justin Trudeau of Canada. Number 4. No support from Canadians. Trudeau's approval rating has plummeted from 63% in 2015 to just 28%, reflecting a loss of faith among Canadians and public dissatisfaction. Number 5. Loss of allies. NDP leader Jagmeet Singh, a key ally of Trudeau, has turned against him. Singh pledged to introduce a motion to topple the minority Liberal government and declared he would seek a loss of confidence in Trudeau's government, potentially triggering an early election with opposition's support.